Everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be based on how to cut a puff pencil sleeve using satin and lace fabric. So let's go to the cutting section. Welcome to the cutting section. I'm using these two fabric to cut out the puff pencil sleeve. This is going to go for the pencil aspect of it, and this will stand for the puff aspect of it. If you want to cut this sleeve, you are going to make use of 1.5 yards of any fabric you are using to make it puff. So I'm making use of half yard to cut this sleeve out, since it's just only one sleeve, not the both sleeve. So now the first thing I'm going to do now is to tell you the measurement of the sleeve. The sleeve length is 23 inches. So now I'm deducting 6 inches out of this, and this will go for the remaining length. So let me start from here. Since it's only one sleeve, I'm folding it into two like this. But if you are cutting these two sleeve ones, you are going to fold it this way. This is into 4, this is into 2 first, then into 4. But since I'm only cutting one sleeve, I'll only fold it into 2. Then all what you need here is the round sleeve, So here I'm going to give you the measurement, and this area I'll give you the measurement. So if you want to take this measurement, this place is smaller than this place. So let me show you the way you're going to take the measurement. This is the wrist. You're taking the wrist measurement first, which is, let me say, we're using 8 inches for the wrist measurement. And here, when you measure 6 inches up, this is where the 6 inches is. So when you take the measurement like this, this is 10. You can say this is 8 and 10. So that's what you're going to apply here. That's 8 divided by 2, it was 4. So with the seam allowance of, this is 4, with the seam allowance of 2 inches. So this is this circular 8. This circular place is 10, which is divided by 2 give us 5. So this is 5 with the seam allowance of 2 inches. So then I can cut it out. So this is how it's going to look like. You can see it and you can see it. So I'm keeping this aside. This particular one I said is half yard. So we have 6 inches before. So you're going to take the 6 inches up here, then to 23. So you can see everything is 23 inches. So now you are not going to cut this at all. This is this length. You are not going to cut it. The wideness of this length is 40 inches. You can see. So it can be more than that. It can be 60. It depends on you. So I'm using this for this now. So now this is the down part, and this is going to be the upper part. This is going to be the upper part. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to join these to this to make it exactly the way you're seeing in the picture. Welcome to the sewing section. The first thing I'm going to do now is to notch the center of this So this is the center. I'm going to fold it this way for the shape. Piece of 8 and 10. This is 8. This 4 into 2 places was 8. So this is 8 inches. Then 10. This is 10. This is where our 10 is. So I'm going to trim all this space out. Then, since this particular area is going to fall to the armpits, I'm going to lower it like this. You know, armpit is not as high as the shoulder, so that's why it doesn't have any effect on it. You can see, so this particular area is where we're going to join to the armor. You can see. So now I'll show you. I'm going to join into the armor now. So this is an armor. You can see it. So I'm going to join this to it. So starting from here like this. Welcome back. Here is the finished work so far. You can see the pencil part of it and you can see the puff part of it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.